Hello everyone, you are working on Smart Plant 3D software and modeling something project or some plan. You know what is the importance of worker placing on any platform or at the operating height. So can he will can access the wall. Oh, okay, and let's see how we can model that. I already modeled the dummy worker, so I will delete and once again I will show how we can model that. Just delete that. We will start from beginning. For that you have to choose the task equipment. So I will once again select the equipment task. Here the equipment and furnishing task we have to select. Then what you have to do, here the place equipment option is there. So after clicking on that, firstly you will see this type of window. You have to maximize that and click here vehicle and miscellaneous. In that generate ad sheet there, you have to click here and here are the number of equipment pre pre-install on the Smart Plant 3D software. So we need a 6-foot worker. So I will select this. You also can check the image of this worker or human, and you have to select that and click on the OK. And then we have to give the name. So I will give the same name, 6-foot worker. Guys, I already uploaded 23 lectures on this software or on this my channel, so you can also visit that related to smart planetary modeling as well as admin part. So I hope you will I hope these lectures will be important to you and you can visit there, and you can subscribe my channel also if you like my lectures. So then what you have to do, select the system on which the equipment uh, this human will be saving hierarchy. So I choose the equipment. So and don't and other things you have to keep as it is, don't change that and click on the OK. Then we have to give the position. So I give this position, and here you find 6-foot worker model successfully. Let's see in helicopter view how it is looking. So here you find the human will model successfully. In this way you can also create and model 6-foot worker in your plan. I hope this video will be helpful to guys, and please visit my earlier lecture which uploaded on my channel. So thank you guys.